Oh, you poor thing. Come on, you sit there. Look, this is how you do it. Stop this now. Come on, just like that. Good girls. Come on, do you want to go with that to Jane over there? Good girls.
Go on.
Hey,
Go on.
good girls. Oh, it's a rush when you're preparing all the uncooked food yourself, isn't it? It is hard.
Yeah, well, I just didn't have any time for that this morning. I just grabbed some
no.
like crisps and
Crisps?
stuff. And
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
it's just a bit of a nightmare, isn't it? Trying to keep
Well,
on top.
It can be. Would you like a chamomile tea?
Can I have a coffee, please?
Coffee? Oh, what? Are you not breastfeeding? Is it not going to disturb her sleeping patterns and makes them a bit windy?
Well, I'm just using a bottle, so.
Oh, okay.
Hi, have you just moved in?
Yes. Last week, yes.
Oh, lovely. Is
Yeah.
everything okay?
Yeah, fine. So far, so good. Yeah.
Great, yeah. What's your name?
Oh, Fleur.
Sorry?
Fleur.
Fleur.
Yeah, well, it's double F-L-U-R. But, yeah.
Fleur.
Yeah,
Fleur.
yeah.
That's really unusual, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it Welsh?
It is Welsh, yeah.
Yes.
Ancient. Yeah,
Right,
Welsh,
right,
yeah.
so what does it mean in English?
Fleur.
Fleur.
Yeah.
Lovely, lovely. Oh.
Yeah. Anyways,
Yeah.
nice to meet you. Darren, I think. Can we come here?
Shall I sit down?
Sorry. I was just telling you that it's never so
I speak Welsh.
Oh, it's your mate. Oh,
Yeah. No, just like